video, I'm going to make a board digital dice circuit using 555 timer IC here. This project is not digital dice circuit, it's like linear dice circuit because the LED is placed in a linear mode here. So going to here, which is using this linear dice IC, it's using the CD4017BE and 555 timer as well. You can see this is a 4017 IC CMOS decade counter chip. You got each clock, which is the next pin. You can see each pin has its own function. So we got output 5, output 1, 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 3. Ground pin, output 8, 4, 9. But in this particular case, we only use 0 to 5 output, I guess, because we're using LED 1 to 6. Got as usual, you got a clock which is taken from the 555 timer IC, which is clock enable pin here. Then you got a reset, and we got a voltage VDD, which is pin 16. Pin 8 is to the ground. The component used is consists 4017 IC, 555 timer, resistor cap, 10 microfarad. We got variable resistor, push button, 6 LED, and battery 9 volt. Okay, this is kind of the circuit diagram here. Okay, this is from the Circuit Digest website. You can get it. I put in the link below so you can see what's the project here. Circuit Digest. Okay. I think it's here. This one I'm taking out. So this is the Circuit Digest website. This is the LED IC project here, 417 and 555 timer. So you can see push button here. Okay, the any 555 timer, it should be going into A stable mode. See the 555 timer, which is A stable mode, going to the clock pin of the CD4017BE. You can see which is here is the output to the wave. In A stable mode. When you got push button, you go to the clock pin of the CD4017BE. Then you can kind of make a like array of LED which is in the light, because it keep moving in a linear direction, which I can demonstrate later. And what is this is I'm gonna go to the Proteus simulation to simulate first, then proceed to make it breadboard as well. And yeah, let's get to the Proteus simulation. Alright, so I just followed the schematic and created this Proteus simulation here. And when I run this simulation, you can see pressing the push button here, and you can see it's like when you press the push button, when you release the push button, one of the LED will be light up, and it select one of the LED there. You can see in this particular case is D4. D4 is light up. Okay, now it's D2 to light up, and I just press the push button and D4 again. Now it's D1 light up. So I just keep pressing the push button, you can give me some difference value of the LED 1 or 2, LED 6, which is different kind of LED which will be light up. So it's kind of like dice because it got random value coming out. So this, what it does is actually from the 555 timer, we got the A stable mode going through the clock of the CD4017, and when we press the push button, then we got the A stable mode, which is the waveform, square waveform going through, and when we release the push button, then will be on one of the diode, light up one of the LED there. So that's kind of it for the simulation part. Go through and I show you through the breadboard what I've done. Okay, alright. Yeah, from the Proteus simulation to the project, breadboard project, you can see here is the LED is kind of linear but kind of curved. Make it like curved like that. Then got the 555 timer, and we got push button and CD4017BE. Get the trim port here. This is for the adjust speed. How speed is it? And the caps here, you can affect the speed as well. when the oscillating for the astable mode, speed for the astable mode, which is the square wave, make it fast or slow. Okay, let's test through this breadboard using a 9V battery and see how it goes. Okay, I just turned on the battery here. Just one light up of the LED. I press the push button. Yeah. So you can randomize the number here and choosing the second LED, which is LED 2. Then randomize again or go to LED 3. When I release the push button, one of the LED will be light up, following the astable mode from the 555 timer. See, this second LED light up, first LED light up, third LED light up, and so on. Fourth LED light up. So it's kind of just randomize the number. And yeah, and one other thing is, before that, you can kind of adjust the speed through this trim port here, or you can replace with a higher value of capacitor, like 30 microfarad. Then the light will become slower. Guys, that's about it for this video. Making more electronic project before kind of through this month maybe, which is May month. I'm more focusing on electronic project, and later around June or July and so on, I will focus more to starting a microcontroller project. When I hold through quite a amount of electronic knowledge, then I will proceed through microcontroller. Okay guys, that's about it. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.